please like, subscribe, comment. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make your eyebrows, how to brow. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people, they don't know how to do their eyebrows, so I'm going to be teaching you how to browse your brows. So it's just simple, but as we are people, we like to be fancy, to be glamorous, to be something nice or aesthetic, something like that. So this video will be so short, but I'll make sure that in the end of the video you will know how to do your brow. It's very easy, and even I started from the scratch. I didn't know how to do my brows. I was watching videos here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., until I knew how to do my own brows. So I'm using a simple technique. uh a I'm going to show you. I'm using a eye brush for brows, foundation, Fit Me foundation, and a palette. I'm using the brown. As you can see that I'm using this shade every day because it has run off. Using this brown shade, and you'll see. I will show you, I will teach you. Okay, let's start. This is how I do it. Make sure you brush your brows so that you can able to do your brows properly. You can use anything, a brush, a toothbrush, something like that, and you just can do it like this. You can see, right? Well, doing this side. And I would use the same brush to put foundation. You can see. Wait. You can see. Guys, do you see that I didn't cut my brows? I just put on some color of a palette brown and put a concealer, and here there are the brows. I'm just going to fill in the color brown so that it will look more browner or darker. Did you see all the technique, guys? So simple and easy. Do they look alike or what? Okay guys, so my brows are done and this is the end of the video. Please like, comment and share this video. Make sure to subscribe and bye.